Hi guys, Michelle here. Today I wanted to show you a neat feature on how to print the floppy tags out of the Sato tag machine. So if you're in the items here, hopefully you've already learned how to print tags, but if you're in the items here, you're going to go to the barcode button. You'll pick that up. Remember, you're going to hit label job. We're going to do tree tag 2. Say OK. It switches our printer for us. Got the unit each, and then we're going to pick the barcode type as item. So typically you'll print 5 labels on the tag machine and it'll print 5. So we'll just go ahead and do that just so you guys can see that over here. So we'll print 5 and we'll get 5 of our nice little tags. But in scenarios where you maybe only need 1, 2, 3, 4 tags, you're wasting the other 4, 3, 2, or 1 tags. So I want to show you what to do if you want to print 1 tag or you only need 1. So we printed 1 tag. So over here we've got just 1 tag that came out. So I want to show you what to do next if you've got the next thing that you want to print is you need 2 more tags. So we'll close this. We'll pick another item here. We'll do 12-inch planter combo. So we're going to go print this one. All that stays the same. And let's say we want to print 2 tags. All right, so right now we've got 1 label that came out. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up the side here. Lift that open. You're gonna hit pause on your machine here. So that way I'm gonna undo the side here, drop this down. And if you notice here, right where before I go to move this, that this is right on the edge of the printer here. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this and scroll my tag back right to where it was, pull it out a little bit more, right to where it was, as if it had stopped there on its own. So we'll click that back, put the door back up, put this back down, hit restart again. And then what we do on our screen, if we come over here onto the item, see this button, this is the label quantity. So we're going to print 2 labels, but when it looks at labels to skip, remember we printed 1, there's 1 printed, we're going to hit 1 in here. So it's going to skip the first row and then print 2 labels. So we'll print this, we'll watch over here. So it skipped the first label, it left our 10-inch planter combo mix alone, and then printed the 2 that I asked for. So again, this is kind of really awesome. We don't have to waste labels if you want to do this. So again, I'll go ahead and hit pause, undo the side here, open it down. We'll put this guy up, roll our label back one more time, put it right to the edge. I'm more or less looking at this notch right on the edge there. It's right where I want it. We'll click him back down, put our door back up, put him back down, hit restart so it's ready to go. And then we'll find the next one here. Let's go one over. We'll do 14-inch planter. And then, you can't see there. 14-inch planter. We'll hit print. Let's say we want to do 2 of those. And now, if you look back over, if you remember, we had 3 labels printed on that the second set. So we had the first 3 were printed. So we're gonna skip 3 here. So we're skipping 3, printing 2. We'll say print. And look at that. It takes up the last 2, skip the first 3 lines, and now we can rip this one off. We're all good to go. We planted a 10-inch, 2 12-inch, and 2 14-inch, and we didn't waste any labels. So really kind of great. Might take a minute for you to get used to it, and then, obviously you got to readjust the Sato to go back and forth, but really great if you got to do a bunch of stuff to not waste labels. All right, guys, that is it for this training. See you next time.